TV, your one-stop destination for your everyday life. So in today's video, you are going to see eggless French toast recipe. Did you subscribe to my channel yet or not? Please do if you didn't yet, and if you are new here, welcome to my channel. So this is very simple to make, yet tastes so delicious like you won't believe it. Please try it. I'm pretty sure you or your family won't be disappointed. So now let's go and see how to make this. While you are here, don't forget to check out other yummy breakfast recipes, whether it's Indian or American. Please do check them out and leave your feedback whether you like them or not. I will see you guys in my next video. Now let's go and see how to make this delicious French toast.
So let's look at the ingredients we need to make this yummy French toast. First and foremost ingredient is milk. I'm using organic milk and sugar and little bit of butter to fry the bread, custard powder, I'm using vanilla flavor, cinnamon, 1 bowl and 8 bread slices. I'm taking a thicker bread slice, and this is normal bread, not the whole wheat bread or anything. So let's make our yummy French toast. First we are going to take 1 cup of milk. It will exactly make 7 to 8 slices. It won't happen more than that, so adjust according to that quantity. So 1 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and we are going to add 2 tablespoons of custard powder, and we are going to add pinch of cinnamon. I'm going to add pinch of cinnamon, not too much, just pinch. And we are going to mix this nicely. We are going to mix this nicely until everything is mixed nicely. Sugar is dissolved, everything is perfect for us to fry the bread. Perfectly done. So let's make our French toast now. So let's see how to make this yummy French toast. My heat is on medium and the pan is heating up. Let it heat up nicely. We are going to add 1 little bit block of butter, just a little bit, so that we can fry our bread. Sorry, you don't want too much, you don't want it to be buttery, you want it to be nice and flavorful with cinnamon and custard powder. It's going to taste really good. Now I want you to this custard powder will get stuck to the bottom of the pan, so mix it nicely until everything comes out, and then we'll dip our bread nicely. It's ready. We are just taking our bread and putting it in here and turning it, and it's ready to go into the pan. Don't disturb it, let it cook nicely. We are going to do the same thing with the other bread. Just dip it in and little bit get rid of the milk and put it in. Do not disturb, guys. Let it cook for 1 or 2 minutes on each side, and then we'll turn it over. It's been 1 or 2 minutes, so let's slowly turn them. Look at that color. Look at that beautiful color. Let it cook for another 1 minute and it will be ready to take out. Reduce the heat and turn it over and look at that beautiful color. I serve it with nice honey Even without honey, it's going to taste really good. So I hope you'll try this recipe and leave your feedback for me. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, please do. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.